get here? Yay! I'm in your house! Hi guys, good morning. I literally just woke up. Here's Ace, my alarm clock, and I'm actually going to assemble his surprise again. It's right there. It's a teepee. So Ace hasn't seen a teepee yet, like a tent or something like that. So I'm really excited for him, and I'm going to place it over here right next to our bed. That way he has something to do while we're here upstairs. Also, I have found out that he's been enjoying hiding, like inside the blanket. He would cover himself with a pillow. And so I thought maybe he'd like something like a tent or a teepee. And then Mariz told me that there's this thing called teepee and it's really cute and it should go well in the room. It can be really fun and enjoyable sa bahay if you try to maximize your resources, make your babies busy as much as you can, and try to, you know, even if it's from a small to big things, you can make it fun. And I really like doing this as well. I mean, I'm not trying to spoil him or anything, but you know, I'm making him busy, trying him not to demand to go outside, you know. And it's just convenient, you know. You're at home, you're safe, and most especially both of you guys are having fun. So it's a win-win, right? I'm going to unbox it, set it up, and maybe do a time lapse again. And let's see what A's reaction later, right? Okay, let's do it. Madali lang to guys kasi 'di ba gagawin mo lang siyang parang triangle, and then you're basically just gonna put this over. You're just gonna put this on top dun sa triangle. So I think it's gonna be easy. Let's do it. Ganyan lang siya. So, actually, hindi pala sila lahat parehas. So, you have to pay attention. Some of them has holes. Some of them has holes. So, ito should go on top. You can put the string sa taas so para matali mo siya properly. So, the holes needs to go on top. Okay. This is a lot more complicated than I thought. But they all look the same. So, hopefully, tama itong ginagawa ko kasi mahirapan tayong alisin pag mali. It's really hard. Okay, last one, Ace. Give it to me. you. Okay, so these are very durable. I mean, they are really built with high quality of wood. It looks like it will stay and won't just get knocked over by a kid. So excited. Hindi ko alam kung anong sequence nito. But I'll try my best. You like it already, Ace? Do you guess what it is yet? Pop. You like it? Hey. So I'm actually going to put this under the teepee para mas comfortable siya sa loob, mas malambot. So let's try to put it na. Nag-enjoy ka na agad, Ace? I know. Aray! Naipit! Lalagay ko na. I'm just going to put the area rug, anak. So, na-vacuum ko na yung ilalim kanina. And now, I'm going to vacuum naman yung top of the area rug. Let's do it, Ace. Wow! Ace, excuse me. Ace, come here. Look. Ace, come here. Look. Uh-oh. It's right here, Otto. Hindi naman mawala. Hey. You like it? So, it's a lot more complicated than I thought. So, kailangan ko ulit siyang kalasin kasi kailangan pala siyang pumasok dito. Hindi ko agad nakita eh. Ano ba yan? Kung ano pa yung pinakasimple dito ako nalilito. Hindi ko pala kailangang tanggalin. Ipapasok ko lang dito oh, sa butas. Ano ba yan? Ano pa yung pinakasimple, Ace, no? I know. Sobrang excited si Ace. OMG, it's coming together! Natatawa kasi ang simple-simple lang nito. Dito pa ang nahirapan. Harap ka natin dito. Okay, Ace. Wow, Ace! It's okay, go inside. You want me to put your toys in there? Lagi tayo ng mga toys din. Holy. Malaki siya, guys. Kasya ako dyan sa loob. Pasok! Wow! Yay! What do you think, Ace? Wow! What do you think? You like it? You like it? Tanggalin natin yung box, masyado malaki. Here. And play toys in there. O, diba? Hindi na boring yung room ni Mami. Ano? Hindi na boring. Into your house? Can I come into your house? Hey, I'm in your house. Ace, Ace. Hi. Hello. Hi! Peekaboo! Ah. Hi! Peekaboo! 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 Hi! Hi! Peekaboo! Hi! Hi, Ace! Hello! Hi, Ace! Hello! You like it? Yeah! So, hindi naman siya mahirap assemble it, guys. Basta huwag ka na malilito. So, guys, I'm actually going to leave a very good review on this product. This is actually very inexpensive and quite durable as well. And it's also very minimalistic, cute. The instruction could be somewhat complicated, but we can always figure it out. It's very easy setup. And I'll put up a link for this product. And yeah, I recommend it. Ace, do you recommend it? I'm sure Ace recommends it. Yeah? Do you recommend it? 5-star? Yeah. Ace and I are going to recommend it. I'm sure you guys are going to have fun with it. We're going to leave 5 stars, right, Ace? Yay! Happy baby! So guys, thank you for watching. We'll be seeing you on the next one. Just don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, don't forget to have fun in this never-ending pandemic. And just stay safe. We'll see you. Thank you. Goodbye. Hey, say goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye to our friends. Bye. Bye! Time check, 11 p.m. Naglalaro pa din siya dyan. Super enjoy.